Next. This poor son of a bitch is gonna get fucking killed now. Ready? Wait till you get bumped.
No warning. That cop just shot that guy.
Recover.
Target live.
First of all, that's a gray target. It's not black.
Oh, great. Okay. There you go.
Okay, do it again. Wait till you hear. Wait till you hear gun. Go, Joe. Walk.
Back off! Back off!
Gun. Poor sons of bitches, man. 6 rounds. Recover.
I should have moved though, right?
No, you're offline. You ended up over there. Good. Yeah. When everybody does this section, then we gotta clean up all this shit. Ready? Go, Joe. Walk. Thank you for not, yeah. I got you, because we're in the wall over there. Do it again, Herb. Just kind of like, keep nudging him. Ready? Go, Joe. Walk, Eric. Recover. Ready?
Yep.
Go, Joe. Walk, Eric.
Back off!
How many rounds was that?
6.
6.
Make sure.
Mike. I'm not talking, Joe, just keep nudging him.
I can't.
Nudge the target, like when you hit him, nudge him, nudge him, nudge him. Because when you drive past them, then they realize they're into the wall. Recover.
Did I give a warning this time?
Everybody do this a couple times? Master class. That's Joe, our crash dummy operator.